You to verify your YouTube account. For that, let's hop into the YouTube and it will show you after opening like this. And you need to tap on your profile picture, which is beside the bell icon here. And you can tap on that. From here, you need to tap on YouTube Studio, or otherwise, you can go to the settings. Let's say I'm tapping on YouTube Studio. From here, you could see the settings, which is below this audio library. From there, you need to tap on the channel, and after that, you need to tap on feature eligibility, which is beside advanced settings. In that feature eligibility, you could see standard, intermediate, and advanced features are available here. So, if you need to verify your YouTube account, you need to tap on that intermediate features. In that, you need to tap on this arrow icon. So, let's say my account has been verified through the phone number. Let's say if you need to verify your account, you could tap on verify phone number over there, which is appeared here. And after that, after tapping on that, you need to enter your phone number over there. After, it will send you a 6-digit code to that specific phone number. You need to enter that and you need to confirm that is you. So this is how you could verify phone number in this, and it will automatically verify your account. This is how you could verify your YouTube account. Thank you.